Hi everyone, welcome back to Hey Bartender. My name is Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender, and today we have another amazing cocktail, one of the classics, and it's called the MAYAHUEL, made with el desahogo mezcal. Stay here with me, it's gonna be very, very, very fun. So, the MAYAHUEL is one of those delicious cocktails, you guys, that is gonna have very few ingredients. As a matter of fact, it's gonna be 4 of them. And this is how we're gonna build it. Get in your shaker, you're gonna get a little bit of ice. Let's go for 1 ounce and a quarter of el desahogo mezcal. Try to get espadín, which is the one that the actual recipe calls for it. We're gonna go also for 3/4 of Cointreau. So this guy, it tends to be a little sweet. That's why you want to measure your sugars with the following one, which is going to be the Agave Nectar. For the Agave Nectar, we're just going to go for 1/4 ounce. And right after that, we're going to go for 3/4 of lime juice. Let's proceed to give it a really good shake. All right. Ooh. So, the garnish is actually going to be the actual glass. The glass is going to be like a very nice clean. You're going to go for a slight getting wet the actual rim of it. And if you happen to have the chance to get some Sal de Gusano, which is not a gusano, but it's called like that. It's going to be one of those special salts for mezcal. Make sure you get a light rim of salt in your glass. And we're going to do a double strain. Okay, you guys. As simple as this. The MAYAHUEL with the desahogo mezcal. Salud, everyone.